winner is 80 with their Magna Clean Atom.
So over the years, we've been looking to increase our presence with smaller filters in the market. Releasing the Atom filter was really important to us. Why it's important, it's to really acknowledge the hard work that not just the sales team do, but the research and development team back at AD head office have put a lot of effort into winning this, and to show that we are forward thinking in our approach and we are constantly looking to develop new products.